Nigerian Gangster, My Last Sound. It's another day in a life full of crime, trading bullets with another for a nickel and a dime. Looking over my shoulder to avoid what I might find. A gangster packing heat, trailing not too far behind. Staying focused on my job, it's expected of me. Taking money from the shops, isn't criminality. What we offer is protection, for the price isn't free. The consequences dire, just take it from me. The life of a gangster comes with the cost. Fighting for survival of a life would be lost. You know the end is always near. Hands trembling, fighting off the fear. 1 shot, 2 shots, 3 shots, 4. I dropped them all dead to the floor. As I reached over to take what's mine, I shot that punk with 2 more. What happened next was strange to me. My mind was moving, but not my feet. I found myself dropping to my knees, shivering cold and hard to breathe. Blood dripped down from my white-collared vest, caused by the bullets that entered my chest. I saw my life flash in front of me. My fate is sealed, it will be what it will be. The last thing I saw, and to my surprise, a little boy wiped blood from my eyes. He lifted my head up from the ground. I gargled blood. It was my last sound.